Blma specializes in the manufacturing of CNC pipe bending machines and has extensive experience in customizing and adapting bending solutions to meet the most demanding and non-standard production requirements. One of the best examples of our engineering excellence and innovation is the high-power, fully electric CNC tube bending machine from Premium Series. This advanced model is capable of bending round tubes up to 130 millimeters in diameter and is equipped with a next-generation CNC control system that supports multiple languages, 3D drawing import, real-time visualization, and full bending simulation. It also features an integrated tooling and die library, which remains unmatched in the current tube bending industry. All machine components are precision machined in Blma's own production facilities using state-of-the-art CNC machining centers. Every step, from metal processing, welding, and painting to final assembly, is performed under strict quality control and in full compliance with the highest manufacturing standards. The biggest advantage of this model lies in its servo-driven motion on all axes, providing superior accuracy, faster cycle times, higher efficiency, and consistent repeatability compared with hydraulic benders. In addition, this fully electric tube bender operates quietly, consumes less energy, and is environmentally friendly. To learn more about its capabilities and pricing, visit our official website or contact us through social media. Boost your production efficiency with Blma.